So, hello and good afternoon to all of you. Imagine a wedding. DJ ने गाना play किया है. Everyone is sitting on their table. They are tapping their feet, but the stage is totally empty. Suddenly, one person steps up, comes on the floor, and starts dancing. Everybody is watching him. But what is he doing? And next, another person just steps up, comes forward and starts dancing with him. People were watching him, they were smiling at him that what he is doing. और यही सच है. पहली शुरुआत हमेशा अकेली होती है, लेकिन जो पहला स्टेप होता है वही इतिहास बनाता है. Suddenly the magic happens. हवा बिल्कुल बदल सी जाती है. People start to come and join on the stage. They start dancing, and in a very few moments, the stage is full. This is the story of the first follower. People usually remember the first dancer, but सच ये है कि अगर first follower नहीं होता, तो ये डांस कभी शुरू ही नहीं होता. This is the power of belief. So in 2009, two young people had an idea that instead of renting hotels, people can buy rooms in someone stranger's house. Investors rejected, friends laughed at them, and the world dismissed that idea as foolish. But one host came forward and said that I believe in you. That one person, that single host, opened not just his home for the idea that we know today as Airbnb, a $1 billion company that changed how the world travels today. And this is not about a single person coming forward. It is about being a voice of support, being an act of courage, an act that transforms the idea into reality. We talk about leaders, we talk about pioneers, we talk about trendsetters. We are often conditioned to follow the leaders. But the truth is, leadership is all about coming first. But followership is all about coming next. And without that next, the first is nothing. Leaders have ideas. Dreamers have ideas. But they need that one voice of support that comes forward and says, yes, I believe in you. And that's how a leader becomes an actual leader. When we go back into the history, we glorify the leaders. The leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, leaders like Steve Jobs. But every leader needs some followers. क्या होता अगर गांधी जी के विचारों को मानने वाले वो लोग ही नहीं होते? तो क्या आजादी की लड़ाई को इतनी शक्ति से, इतनी मजबूती से लड़ा जा सकता था? Every leader needs that one person, needs that one follower that says, yes, I believe in you. Yes, I am with you in this. And so, if I take the example of YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine right now. But back in the history, when Javed Karim uploaded his very first video on YouTube named Me at the Zoo, which was a very ordinary video. Think of those first subscribers. Think of those first people who might have thought that this might be something. What if those people did not support that, they did not have that idea? Then YouTube might just remain a very random video. We often celebrate the startup leaders. All the leaders are celebrated. But what about those first employees who might leave their stable jobs just to follow the vision of that leader, just to support them in their vision, to make their vision successful? And every one of us present over here has a chance to become the follower. Let me ask you a question. If your friend just came up and said that I have an idea to start a new club. I have an idea to make something new. I have an idea to start a small business. What would you do? Would you just step back, stay at where you are? Would you watch him to first succeed and then you will go support him? Or you would just say, I am there with you, I will support you. क्योंकि लीडर बनना हर कोई चाहता है, लेकिन एक फॉलोअर बनना असली कैरेक्टर की पहचान होती है. लीडर बनना हर कोई चाहता है, पर फर्स्ट फॉलोअर वही कहलाता है जो रोशनी अपने लिए नहीं किसी और को चमकाने के लिए जलाता है। एंड देन वी कम कि अगर वो फॉलोअर है, इफ ही इज अ फॉलोअर, तो हाउ ही इज द फर्स्ट फॉलोअर, एंड इफ ही इज द फर्स्ट, हाउ इज ही द फॉलोअर? बट द आंसर इज, फॉलोअर कभी भी लीडर्स के पीछे नहीं होती हैं. They are equivalent to the leaders. They are not secondary, but they are the catalyst, the ones that have the potential to transform the ideas into reality. This is how we all have a chance to become followers. And back then, if I talk about my journey, if I come and speak about my reflection, I belong to a very middle class family where we are told to focus on education more, where we have very big dreams, but the path is often uncertain. I was very good at academics. I was very active in achievements, in events, in participating in the competitions. But when I came into the class 12th, when I just reached to a certain class, when I had to come into the further studies, I had some other plans for me. But that decision, that idea, what I have within my mind, that collapsed, that did not align with the dreams that my parents had for me. So that was the weight of the decision that I felt more larger than academics. That was when I thought, am I being stubborn by thinking of myself? Or am I being brave of just thinking of myself because this is my future? I'm going to decide my identity and this should be my own choice. So I followed my instincts. I followed my own capabilities. I fought with my parents and I accepted, I went on to the path that I actually wanted to myself. That path led me to my college. And here, I just not learned how to study. I learned how to take risk. I learned how to rise forward. I still remember my first event when I came onto the stage as an anchor. I was very fresher, I was very nervous, I was very anxious and a bit terrified as well. I had questions circling into my mind. So what if I announced something wrong? What if I stumbled just like I stumbled right now? What if the positioning, what if the sequence of the event changed? What would I do? People will laugh at me that I'm just a fresher, I'm just taking the first step, and I will do mistakes. And a part of me told that I should step back. I should not do it. But I did not follow that path. I practiced a lot in empty rooms, in the corridors. I rehearsed my lines and I learned how to smile even when I felt panic. And when that very day came, when I was to anchor on the stage, I did not just anchor, I owned the stage. Not because I had no fear in me, but because I just followed that one thought relentlessly. That if I am to fall, I have the belief that I have courage to rise up and start again. कि अगर गिरने का डर है, तो वापस उठने की उम्मीद भी होनी चाहिए. I had belief in myself, I had belief in my choices, and I just followed one lesson. The lesson that I am a follower first. The follower of my courage, the follower of my belief, and the follower of my own strength. And this is why I am here on this very prestigious stage of TEDx, and I really feel very overwhelmed because back then when I see my history, I feel that this is a celebration. The celebration from fear to faith, the celebration from trembling voice to a voice of confidence, just because I followed my instinct. I was first the follower of my courage and my belief in myself. So what do we learn today? That next time, if some junior steps into the meeting and answers something, if your friend comes and says that I have to start a new club, if some person comes and says that I have to start a new business, I want to open something new, be the first subscriber, be the first volunteer, and be the first one to applause. And the times would come that you would be alone on the stage, maybe dancing alone, maybe standing alone in front of others. But don't just wait for many followers. Just have a wait, just have a patience for that one single person to come and support you, because that is going to be your true strength. And today I leave you with this thought. You should never go on chasing the spotlight, because sometimes the real greatness lies in applauding for someone. Remember that applause feels louder when it is shared together, and journeys feel richer when they are walked together. Because when you lift someone, you rise yourself too, and when you provide light to someone else, you find your own glow. And that is somewhere you can find greatness. Because the leader might start the dance, but the first follower is the one who starts the moment. Thank you. This was all from my side.